Shout out to Lil Haiti, man. TIT. 60-second, you already know.
Yes, sir.
Rain, still snow. How many nights do I gotta stay on the grind and selling dope?
How many nights do I gotta stay grinding and selling dope? Combien de nuits pour me camper là pour me vendre coca, pour me faire un petit corps, mes amis?
Chaque jour.
All night, all day.
All day.
Range Road, chains on me glow.
Bagay yo changé. Range Road, chain on me glow. Men kounya ma pull up sur Range Rover, men tout chaîne qui nan comme yo clear.
How many licks I had to go out and hit to make some dope?
How many licks do I gotta go out to make some dough? Combien coups pour mal faire des yo pour me faire un petit cob? Courir?
Combien courir?
Go out and hit to make some dope. I used to trap in the rain. Now I got my wrist.
I used to trap in the rain. Dès qu'on a vendre dans toute la pluie, monsieur, dès qu'on a deal dans toute la pluie.
Pas de camper.
Yup.
On snow. I got your bitch on go.
Now I got my wrist on snow. I got your beat on go. Men kounya tout point moi éclairé. Et m'gen ti femme moi sur téléphone moi depuis m'rele.
Il pull up. Leave it somewhere.
Now walking around in a Louis coat. Ride a Maybach, a Lamb. I got them both.
Ride around with Maybach and the Lamb. I got them both. Men kounya m'a conduit Maybach ou bien Lamborghini. C'est pas pression m'gen tout
Il y
day.
a tout des. Ça va déranger
Non.
là.
Qu'importe.
Yes, sir.
A Lamb, I got them both. Where was y'all at? I ain't have hope. Call up sniper game. Pull up with a scope.
Where was y'all at when I didn't have hope? Call up sniper gang. He pull up with the scope. Kote nou te ye lem pa gen espoir. Men kounya mrele sniper gang.
Leave it somewhere. Un gros bout de bête.
Bet. Hey, m'la
Yes,
he pull up somewhere.
yes, sir.
Let's go. I was popping pills cause I couldn't cope. Niggas hating on me, said
I was popping pills cause I couldn't cope. Sonje lem te kon ap bre ti grain, ti mali, ti bagaj, jis paske m'pat ka di la
Il
vek
va
la
pas
vi.
dire la vie.
Yeah, bah, yo
Pour
te
cacher
dit.
stress li.
J'ai stress là.
Ah,
You know what I'm saying?
I was popping pills cause I couldn't cope. Niggas hating on me, said I wasn't dope. Now I got a
They ain't know me say I wasn't dope. Nèg yo te kon ap trahi sou me ou di m'pat gen talent.
hating on me, said I wasn't dope. Now I got a Rolls Royce umbrella for rain. Kinda
Now I got a Rolls Royce with umbrella for the rain. Men kounya m gon Rolls Royce ki vini avec parapluie pou mou etan.
Pour mauvais temps, oui. Yes, no.
umbrella for rain. Kinda 100 racks up just for the pay. I got that shit out the mud.
AP now I'm counting 100 racks just for the pain. Men kounya m ap konte $100 million pou mauvais temps yo.
Sans aller.
Dem pa gen yo.
Ran into the plug. Now I hit the mall blow. Hold up. Let me fake, they don't never show no.
Now I hit the mall, blowing up a dub. Men kounya la le mal shopping, gaspiller $20 million.
Cash. Sans camper. Ça got there.
Mall blow. Hold up. Let me fake, they don't never show no love.
The be fake, they never show no love. Next how fake you probably put all that move. They don't wanna show you no love.
Love la vie.
And fake ass nigga.
The real zombies. If it's a problem, we see about it. My brother
With the real zombies, if it's a problem, we'll see about it. Nou se bon zombie yo nou ye nou même.
Allez.
If it's a problem, we'll see about it.
Big Z.
Si gon problem zi yo pull up sou, ya di yo sa gen la.
M'te doit faire c'est soit facile là. Again, man.
I had to go out and hit to make some dough. It's that Kodak bop. Yeah, I beat the
It's that Kodak bop. E Kodak liye sou bit la, kapal fò danse.
Mr. Kodak.
pot out on the floor. This that soda pop. Nigga, I blew off shaking up the coat.
Yo, nigga, I blew up shaking up the coast. Yo, e bako sa nan m fè suksè amen. Se paske m te kon ap bravaje lèl tou lèl, oui.
T'es gonna faire non sonner côté
Yeah,
basé.
nigga, I blew up shaking coast.
Allez.
Remember when I almost gave up on the floor.
Hey yo, I remember when I almost give up on the flow. M sonje lèm te manke ki te
Rap la,
men,
yeah.
kapren?
Rap game na.
Rap game nan. Pou ki sa?
Bust a scam, making way more money than a show.
Paske I would bust a scam making more money than a show. Pou ki sa? Paske m te kon a fè ti vol ki te ka rapote m plis.
Plis kob.
Paske le mal jou an kote.
Yeah. Qui te apporté plus
Oui,
comme qui de la jour côté.
Yes, sir.
14 hit the news. was jacking cars and up and bold.
I was 14, making news, jacking cars and up the poles. Mwen te gen 14 ans, te nan tout nouvel, m'a volé machine et puis m'a frise vakabo.
You got no see, Mr. Kodak black.
but please don't get it confused. I'm from the north.
Hey yo, I'm in my head, please don't get confused because I'm from the north. Même l'on pa wè m'a fait tizak sa yo encore, pa fè erreur, mais c'est nèg north yo mieux.
I'm still là.
Still là, baz.
Grave digger, somebody come identify your folks.
I'm a grave digger, somebody come identify your folks. M'son nèg ka fè mort toute la Saint-Genève. Eh monsieur, vin identifier.
Qui mort là.
Qui est si pour doit de?
Tellement fait moi.
Paid nigga, I swear I ain't losing sleep about a hoe.
I'm a paid nigga, I swear I never lose a sleep about a hoe. Yo, m'son gentil rappeur qui gagne pile l'argent, moi pas perdu dormi pour femme ça yo.
Il va pas perdu nuit.
Non, pas perdu nuit.
Ah, la guitare là, la guitare pull up sous moi le dit.
Talk this bitch a pro, give me talk you like a pro.
She give me talk that bit the pro. Gentil femme nan sous sem ni son professionnel.
C'est fort.
Oui.
Pro, give me talk you like a pro. She keep me
She give me top just like a pro. Li sous celle qu'on professionnel.
C'est comme métier à bien.
sloppy like a joke. She give me sloppy like a joke.
She give me sloppy like a Joe. She give me sloppy like. Caché ton bel ramassé. Rele ça sloppy. She give me sloppy. Et pas celle tête li, you know. My tête la sloppy.
Allez. C'est comme métier, c'est comme bagaille.
Pas la vérité. Pas juste.
Elle va mieux.
Pas juste my tête. My tête la sloppy. Caché ton bel ramassé.
Ramassé. Fait livre dans gorge, faut te régler.
Et vous fait le roi pour slap pour like la fuck up. She gave me sloppy like Joe.
Elle vibe.
Shout out to Kodak, man.
Yes,
I'm on the dough, I'm selling cocaine, weed and pills. Keep
I'm slanging out my mama dough. I'm selling cocaine. Yo m'te kon ap vend ti coca, devant pot kay mamam, tabak,
yeah.
ti grain, ke pot sali ya, m'gen devant pot kay mamam la vend. On nèg men.
Il va rien.
bomb behind the stove. Keep some snipers ready to kill.
I keep my bomb behind the stove. I keep my snipers ready to kill. They gon keep a gros stash coca mal serré de un petit boutique.
Yeah.
Et puis en même temps, m'gen des trois snipers dans ligne nan pour pas venir rester parce que yo prêt pour yo tuer.
Pour tu va arriver comme ça.
Non, pas arriver là.
À l'aise.
Rain, snow, rain, still snow. How many
Rain, snow, mauvais temps, bon temps.
À l'aise.
Hey, what up, gang?
Belle vibe. Rain,
Shout out to Rich the Kid.
Bon
Shout out
temps,
to
mauvais
Kodak Black.
temps.
Yeah, man.
Belle vibe.
I'm
Et
saying.
puis yo tout montrer viande tout. Ça a dit à moto. Même si on va pas moto tout, but
Yeah.
yo essayer.
Moi, let me say this. She keep me sloppy like I'm
On connaît ça dans crâne. Dans crâne
Sloppy, man. La tête là, c'est loin, no sloppy tête. Moi, dis sloppy tête.
Yeah, c'est la petite. Les deux.
Bon, elle mouille, bon, elle.
Il s'est assez le fuck.
Iggy, slap me like. Yo, yeah, I don't want it. So, en tout cas, that was a Kodak Black, Rich the Kid, man. So,
Allez, soit tu consalis déjà, nous pas qu'elle fait un petit que je dis de la Kodak Black, so qui se commenter, partager vidéo, like vidéo, suivre nous sur Instagram, TikTok, et j'active, vous consalis
man,
déjà.
you already know, it's the gang.
Ciao.